Women on the front line, students refusing to back down, children marching in the streets. That's the scene in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, which is witnessing one of its biggest public uprisings in the recent years. What began as a demand for constitutional reforms ahead of the July 27 elections has now snowballed into a full-scale confrontation with the Pakistani authorities. Talks have collapsed, the internet remains shut, security forces are on high alert, and thousands are preparing to march towards Muzaffarabad. The political crisis in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir is deepening. After negotiations between the authorities and the Joint Awami Action Committee failed to produce a breakthrough, the deadlock has prompted protest leaders to announce a massive long march to Muzaffarabad, the administrative capital of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The JAAC has called for large-scale public mobilization, with protesters from several districts expected to converge on Muzaffarabad. Rawalkot has emerged as one of the main assembly points as thousands prepare to join the march. The movement, which began nearly 2 weeks ago, is demanding constitutional amendments before the scheduled July 27 elections, along with greater political rights and accountability. Protesters are also demanding the immediate release of detained JAAC leaders and activists, an end to the ongoing security crackdown, the restoration of internet and communication services, and uninterrupted access to essential supplies such as food, medicines, and electricity. The group has also called on the authorities to honor commitments made during previous negotiations and initiate meaningful dialogue on governance and long-standing public grievances. The unrest has spread across several parts of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, including Rawalkot, Muzaffarabad, and Kotli. Authorities have significantly increased the deployment of security personnel ahead of the planned march, saying that the measures are necessary to maintain law and order. However, protest organizers allege that the crackdown has turned violent. They claim that at least 20 people have died during the crackdown and accuse the Pakistan Army of using excessive force against demonstrators. They also allege that widespread arrest and a blanket internet shutdown across the region. Pakistani authorities, however, have defended their actions, saying that the security measures are aimed at preventing further escalation. The claims made by both sides have not been independently verified, with dialogue now at a standstill. Thousands preparing to march on Muzaffarabad, the spotlight is firmly on Pakistan's response. Whether the authorities chose dialogue or a tougher crackdown, it could determine the next chapter in the growing unrest across Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.
मेरी आप सबसे गुजारिश है, हमें कल भी रोका जा रहा था कि आप धरने में ना जाए। एक्शन कमेटी ने ऐसा क्या गलत किया? वो तो हमारे अवाम के हक के लिए आवाज उठा रहे और वो कह रहे खबरों में कह रहे और धरने यहाँ तक रेजर्स भी कह रहे कि अगर जो लड़के जो बच्चे एक्शन कमेटी में आए हुए अगर वो पीछे ना गए, उनके पेफॉर्म्स नहीं माने जाएंगे, उनकी चीजें नहीं मानी जाएंगी, उनके शनाख्ती कार्ड नहीं बनेंगे। ये पेफॉर्म है हमारे। अगर हमारे पेफॉर्म नहीं माने जाएंगे, चाहे आप लोग के पेफॉर्म अपनी मर्जी से जिया, हमें आपके पेफॉर्म्स की भी जरूरत नहीं है। और मेरी आप सब पाकिस्तानी अवाम से गुजारिश है कि हमारे साथ खड़े हो, हमें हक के लिए आवाज उठा रहे। क्यों आप लोग पीछे खड़े? हमारे साथ अल्लाह खड़ा है, प्लीज हमारा साथ दें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। पाकिस्तान के आर्मी चीफ को, पाकिस्तान के वज़ीर आज़म को, पाकिस्तान के मिनिस्टरों को, पाकिस्तान के इदारों को हम खुलेआम दावत देते हैं कि आप आएँ हमारे कश्मीर में और हमारे साथ आके तो मुकाबला करें, क्योंकि हमने शेरों को जन्म दिया है, हमने चीतू को जन्म दिया है। हमने मम्मी डैडी तो बच्चे पैदा नहीं किए हुए। हमारे बच्चे वो हैं जो सीनों पे गोलियां खाते हैं, हमारे बच्चे वो हैं जो मैदान में आंख डाल के बात करते हैं। तो लिहाजा इतनी बात है कि आप लोग आएँ, आपके भी मर्द होने का वहम निकल जाएगा। तो पिंजरे में अगर बंद होता है ना शेर, तो छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी कंक्रीट मारते हैं। जब शेर बाहर निकलता है ना, तो मर्द आने की गलतफहमी वैसे भी दूर हो जाती है।